Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we are going to be unboxing the Catvision Set-Top Box HD CSR-401 HP. Now, this is a pretty ordinary set-top box with quite a lot of contemporary features that are found with what is given by most of the providers in the country, but we'll go through them anyways. So on this particular device, you've got DD free dish support, so you can get access to over 100 TV channels. Then you can use your mobile to stream footage or stream the screen of your mobile phone onto your TV. That's basically a way of saying this has Miracast or something similar supported. At the bottom, you've got mention of TubiCast, which is one of the apps that allows you to stream whatever's on your mobile phone or any Android device onto your TV, which is connected to the set-top box. It's got Wi-Fi inbuilt. They've not mentioned exactly what protocol is supported. Aside from that, they'd like to boast that over 1 million cable and satellite set-top boxes have been sold by the company. And aside from that, we've got mention of YouTube. Perhaps there's an app or a service within the UI to access YouTube. And the last important part is that this thing is BIS certified. On the left-hand side, we've got mention of what all can be found inside the box. On the other side, we've got the manufacturer as well as the importer's contact information, registered office details, and customer support contact details. On the front side of the packaging, we can see some of the features being highlighted. We've already seen that it is BIS certified. Then it is fully compliant with DVB S2 digital TV standard. You can watch SD as well as HD channels. You can even get better pitch quality of SD channels by upscaling it to HD, which is performed by the set-top box. It has the capacity to store up to 4,000 channels. Channel auto search function is also present. And then you even have support for parental lock. As for the resolutions, it supports 480i, 480p, 576i, 576p, 720p, 1080i, and 1080p video resolutions. Additionally, you can also record your favorite programs to playback at a later time at your convenience. So that's all for the details on the box. You've got the exact same thing being mentioned again in Hindi. So in case you're interested, you can read that. But we've already gone through that once. So we'll go ahead with the unboxing. We've got a host of accessories inside the packaging. We'll get the documentation out of the way. This thing has setup instructions. It's got a warranty card. It's got instructions on how to use the remote control with the set-top box and some mention of safety precautions that you should undertake while operating the device. Then you've got the remote control. They even give you 2 batteries inside the packaging. Then we've got the power adapter. This thing comes with a 2-pin Indian plug and it's rated for 12 volts, 1 ampere. So in case you're looking for replacements, this rating will be of importance. Then you've got a component split cable. This is the YPBR, or basically it's called the component split cable. You also get 1 HDMI cable in the box. The connectors are not gold plated. And finally, we have the set-top box. On the top, they've got their little logo emblazoned, and right next to that you've got a little sticker highlighting the toll-free number that you can call for any technical assistance. On the front side, you've got an IR receiver port. As you can see over here, there's an indicator panel. On the right hand side, you've got a power button as well as 2 buttons to switch through channels. So it's basically to move up the list of channels and move down the list of channels. On the back hand side, you can see multiple interfaces. You've got one for power. Again, it's stated that it uses a 12 volt DC input rated for 1 ampere. Then you've got AV out. This is where the component cable goes in. It's got a 3.5 mm jack on one side, so that will interface with the AV out port. Then there's the HDMI out port, followed by a USB type A receptacle. And lastly, you've got an antenna in port. This is what you require for getting access to the free channels. There are plenty of slits across the entire body on the underside as well as on the top for ventilation. And that's about it for the unboxing of the Catvision set-top box HD CSR 401 HP. Thank you for watching.